Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this absolutely delicious lentil vegetable soup with lemon. It's really easy. You can adjust a few of the veg if you want. Okay, so we're going to be using red lentils. They cook really quickly, so give them a little rinse in some water. Okay, 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups of celery, 2 cups of potato, 2 cups of zucchini, 2 cups of onion, a tablespoon of ginger, and about 2 tablespoons of garlic. This is so easy. I've got some coconut oil I'm using today. Change that if you want. We're going to heat that up, so we're on an above medium heat. What we're going to do is drop in, you're going to see how easy this is, the onion, the celery, the carrots, and the potatoes. Then the ginger, I've cut mine nice and thin, you can chop it if you want, and the garlic. And adjust this as much as you want. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give that a little mix. And we'll let that go for about 4 minutes. So all really hard, these vegetables. Next up, we're going to go, there you go, there's our red lentils. Now red lentils cook really quickly. I've got about 2 cups there. Just rinse them through in some cold water. 2 teaspoons of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Salt to taste. And then we're just going to throw that around for another 4 or so minutes. Stir often. Beautiful stuff. Very simply. Next up, we're going to be adding our last vegetable, which was the zucchini or courgette, whatever you call that. You could be putting in here bell peppers or any other type of veg you want, like mushrooms or something. Then we're going to add water. I mean, I'm using water. You could use a vegetable stock or something if you wanted. Now, it's quite a lot of water, as you can see. It's enough to sort of cover it, and then by about 2 centimeters. So I think there's about 2.5 to 3 liters of water. Stay on this above medium heat. Let that go now for 6 minutes. Reduce down a little bit. The dal is cooked, or the lentils is cooked. It's very simple. We're going to drop in just 1 decent sized tomato. And again, we're going to go just for 3 or 4 minutes. That looks absolutely divine. Really nice and simple, that is. Everything's nice and soft, beautiful stuff. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of mint and cilantro or coriander. You could use just 1 or parsley maybe, it's up to you, but a fresh herb in there is always absolutely delicious, isn't it? Right, here we go, here's the lemon. So there's the juice of 2 lemons there and the zest. You know, I grated the skin off. Gives it a beautiful flavour. Little stir, check it for salt. That is done. It's lovely, really simple and lovely. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. And by the way, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. That really does help me out a lot. You know, the old bloody algorithm and all that. And yeah, leave us a comment. I read all the comments and I'll get back to you if I can. Lots of love.